A Houston urban park ranger accused of threatening a man with jail time if he didn't pay him appeared before a judge this morning. 33-year-old Joey Lamar Ellis is charged with felony official oppression. KPRC2's Rochelle Turner was in the courtroom and she spoke to the prosecutor and defense attorney.
The hearing only lasted about 10 minutes. Joey Lamar Ellis didn't have much to say when the judge read his bond conditions. Today, we heard details involving the first victim who encountered Ellis at Cullen Park. Prosecutors say Ellis was on the clock during the time of the incident, but he was not supposed to be working at Cullen Park. He approached a man who was sitting in his car with another man, telling him to get out of the car, strip down naked, and confess to a crime he didn't commit. Prosecutors say Ellis told the victim he would take him to jail if he didn't pay. The victim gave Ellis $20 cash and cashed at him $100.
Then the defendant says, "You're going to help me lure in other men to do the same scheme," essentially. And that's when the complainant was able to get away from the defendant at a time later and was able to go to a nearby gas station and call 911 and report this to the police.
The defense attorney denies the allegations.
Mr. Ellis is an upstanding citizen. He's never been in trouble a day in his life, and he strongly contests these charges. And we think as the evidence unfolds, it'll be seen that this was a mistake to bring these cases.
A second victim spoke to KPRC2's Devin Clark about similar allegations. The man says back in April, Ellis approached him as he was leaving the park and made him pull his pants down, demanded his license, and threatened to take him to jail unless he did one of two things: have sex with him or pay him $260. The man paid the money but didn't report the incident to police out of fear. The man returned to the park a few weeks later and ran into Ellis again. This time he managed to get away and filed a report with police. Prosecutors say Ellis could be facing more charges if more victims speak out. Houston police tell us that if you've encountered Ellis at Cullen Park, to give them a call and make a report. Ellis is scheduled to be back in court in August. Reporting from downtown, I'm Rochelle Turner, KPRC2 News.